These are just instructions on how to use our South African tax calculator for the latest financial year, being 2021 and 2022, with a couple of years comparison. So when you go to the link you'll find in the description, you'll see we've got the current latest information and then some history. You just need to choose the employee's age. So are they under 65, between 65 and over 75? You can do that for the previous years as well, as they may move between bands. You then just need to type in the annual salary in the yellow cells. And we've assumed we're just going to compare like for like, so all of those are the same. The calculator will automatically calculate the details, so the fixed portion, the variable portion, what the rebates are allowed, UIF, etc. And what's quite important is the effective tax on the salary, which you can see here, and compared to the prior years. You can also see what the company needs to pay because of the skills development levy. And if we go down, it then shows the monthly impact. So the monthly income, the monthly taxes, the same effective rate. Again, the company version of it. And then it just shows what percentage the employee gets out of the total company payments. As a bonus, for people who own their own businesses, we've also included a calculation to work out whether it's better to take more salary or dividends. So the first question you need to answer is, are you registered for small business tax? So most people will say no, but it might be a yes. You then enter what the profit will be for your company, excluding taxes and the salary. Then this column subtracts whatever salary was included up here, goes through the full process, eventually gets to the total taxes the company needs to pay, and then you've got your total taxes, so taxes for company or on salary. So you'll see in this split position, the total effective tax is 31%. This option is you take everything as a salary, full R1,000,000, and what the impact will be. And this option is you take nothing as a salary. So everything is taxed in the company's hands, and then dividends withholding tax. And you'll see there's that tax rate. Lower down is just the latest tax tables for your records.